number of people that went to the movies last week. Monday, 348 people went to the movies. On Tuesday, 409 people. On Wednesday, 181 people. On Thursday, 451 people. And on Friday, 534 people. Okay. The question is, what is the best estimate? And every time they ask me best estimate, they want me to round. I need to round my numbers. Okay? What is the best estimate for the number of people who went to the movies on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? So I only need Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and it rounded to the nearest 100. So here is where they were to round. I'm going to round my numbers to the nearest 100. I'm going to use what? Because the question is about Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I only need Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from my list. So pull them all up. I have Wednesday. Wednesday, there were 281 people. On Thursday, there were 151 people. And on Friday, there were 534 people. Okay, and I need to know what is the best estimate for the number of people that went on these 3 days. So what do I need to do with these 3 days? What do I need to do with these 3 days to find out how many people? After estimate, what do I need to do? How do I solve it? Tengo que sumar. I need to add Wednesday plus day plus Friday, because that's going to give me how many are going to be in the movies those 3 days. Oh, that's what now. Okay. One thing that is important when it comes to rounding problems or estimations is that you cannot solve your problem first and then round your answer. You have to round every piece of information and then you do whatever operation you have to do. So first we have to round numbers, and then I'm going to do my addition of those rounded numbers. No, because that's not the way you do it. You round your numbers first, and then you do your addition or your subtraction or whatever operation. You're gonna see it now. So before I add Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, first of all I need to round one. So we're gonna round Wednesday, 281. I'm gonna round it to the nearest. So I'm gonna make a small place number line, 26. That's fine. I'm going to round to the nearest 100. So the hundredths place is the digit 2. I round it. I circle it with the digit to the right. So my number is 28. So 28 is between 20 and 30. In the middle, I have 25. Behind it, 24. So the number is 28, which is closer to 28 is closer to 30. So that 30 is the one that is going underneath the digit that I circled. So I have 30 and this number becomes 0. So Wednesday is about 300 people. Then I'm going to do the same thing with Thursday. I didn't do my place value chart because it's a small number, and I hope that we know how to round hundreds with no problem. If it would have been a problem in the thousands or the 10,000s, I would have done a place value chart. So, no, because it's 281, so it's closer to 300. Because that's why I round. 28 is between 20 and 30, but then I have to put the 30 underneath the circle numbers, and the last digit has to become 0. So here is the same thing. Thursday is 451. The hundredths place is the 4. I underline it. I circle it to the right, so that gives me 45. 45 is between 40 and 50. In the middle, 45. Behind it, 45, it's in the middle, so it will go to 50. So I'm gonna put my 50 underneath the 2 digits, 50, and everything to the right becomes 0. So Thursday is about 500. And the last one is Friday. I'm gonna do the same thing with Friday. Friday is 534. I'm gonna round it to the nearest 100. Underline the 5. Circle it with the digit to the right.
50 and 60.
53 is between
50 and 60.
50 and 60. 50 and 60. In the middle, 55. Behind it, 54. 53 is right behind 54.
So it's around 50.
53 should go back to 50. I'm going to use that 50, and that is left on the right becomes 0. So Friday about 500 as well. Because I need to round each one of these 3 numbers: Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now that I rounded Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, now I can go and add those 3 to find how many people to the movies those days. So to figure out how many people went on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I need to add my rounded numbers. Wednesday was 300, plus Thursday 500, and Friday was 500. So
13,000.
0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. So we can say that about 1,300 people went to the movies.